You know, some might say that I'm delusional for investing into and believing in Terra Luna Classic. Depending where you are, right, and where you invested in or where you stood from the beginning, you could have not believed in it right when the crash actually happened. You could see the success that people were having and have some sort of hatred towards the gains that people are making. You see the FOMO or the lack of, getting into a position at a low level that you find that jealousy. Or, you see this as a position that took money away from you because you invested at a high point. But negativity comes in a lot of different ways and for different reasons. And I've noticed that over time because I can see all the comments that people make. So if you make a comment, I click on your name, it shows all the comments that they had. I've seen complete changes, right? Where someone believed in Terra Luna Classic 2 years ago, and it started to increase, and they had so many positive things to say, and then all of a sudden they have a change where they're like, I didn't sell at a high point, now I'm negative, or now I'm not as positive, and then later on it's now I'm negative, I sold my position, I don't believe in it anymore. And it's because you had that overreaction. That's the reason why you hate Terra Luna Classic. So there's many reasons, right? I don't jump to conclusions. Usually I try and get the information first. So I'm glad that YouTube has that. But I think Terra Luna Classic is going to be worth a lot more. It's going to surprise absolutely everybody in the crypto market. Even if you are a huge fan of Terra Luna Classic like me, I think there's going to be surprises, things that happen, things that don't happen. And we're going to look at it and we're going to go, I didn't expect that. Right? I didn't expect it to run that fast. I didn't expect it to take that long. I didn't expect it to burn that much Terra Luna Classic. Right? There's going to be so much that's the unknown that's going to surprise all of us. Whether it's good or bad, it's going to surprise all of us. So I want you guys to take the time to hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and please hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you want to check out my link down below for FortisX, please do so. It's a platform where you can earn up to 20.32% variable APY with no lockups. You can withdraw anytime that you want to. There's also a link for BTCC down there. If you want to check that out, you'll get a 10% deposit bonus. You can get extra bonuses up to $10,055. Enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees, and you can trade up to a 250x leverage with no VPN and no KYC that is required. So definitely check out my link for BTCC and for FortisX at the top of the description. Now, I'm holding 103 million. So some people might say, you're holding 103 million. Of course, you're going to say that it's going to run. What am I going to talk about the positions that I believe in and go, no, it's just going to be negative and I'm still holding it because it's just going to fall down and all this other stuff and I just want to see the negativity. No, that's not what I'm going to say. I believe in a position. I bought the position because I believed in it. Right? It's not the other way around where I bought the position and then I decided to believe in it. No, I believed in it first. Then you see the move into the position, and then you see the hype and the belief it can go even further. The conversation, the chain and the burning and all of that stuff that came after the fact. Yes, I have 103 million Terra Luna Classic, and I doubled down. I decided to add more to get me to 100 million, and if I would, I would have 200 million, maybe even a billion. Like, I would love to have more of all of it. Obviously, very happy with the fact that I even have 103 million. There's people that don't even have 1 million. So, very grateful for the opportunities that I've been able to have, especially off of a $43 investment from where I started. And if you don't know that story, I have some videos on that as well. But the whole point of this video is to talk about how I think Terra Luna Classic is going to surprise everyone in the crypto market. If you look at where Terra Luna Classic stands price-wise, it currently stands at a 0.00006308 level. It has a $348 million market cap, $18 million worth of volume. It has 6.45 trillion coins in total supply and 5.5 trillion in circulating supply. Now, someone mentioned in the comment section about staking and the fact that nobody is staking, but obviously we have a trillion that is staked overall, so that's not true. But I wanted to kind of look into Terra Luna Classic a little bit more and talk about why I believe it's going to surprise absolutely everybody. First, many people are looking at it as just a popular coin that has lost popularity. Yes, it is a popular coin that has lost a little bit of popularity in the fact that the volume has dropped. Not just this volume, volume overall has dropped. So if you see Bitcoin have less volume, Ethereum has less volume, don't you think that Terra Luna Classic would have less volume? Yes, it is still very popular. Many people still talk about it. Many people are still searching for it. They still want to see the growth of that. And when you have something like FOMO or any type of green that's happening with this position, it tends to grow a lot more than other things. So the popularity is high. It's going to skyrocket. It's going to move. But it's more about what could be with the recovery. If we truly do see a recovery of the classic chain, this makes Terra Luna Classic so much more valuable, and USTC so much more valuable. And now people FOMO into it more, which makes it even more popular, which then gives it the ability to get to these levels and even burn off some more if that is still or will be a thing. If somebody came out, somebody with high status came out and said, we are going to burn 99.9% of Terra Luna Classic and gave no detail to how we're going to do it, Terra Luna Classic would absolutely skyrocket. Because you have somebody that's of high importance that's guaranteeing burns or decreasing that supply. Now, if you actually have something that's implemented, that's just as good as somebody that's majorly popular announcing that we're going to burn off a majority of the supply. If you had somebody that has a high status and has a lot of, is kind of an all-knowing personality or all-knowing person when it comes to cryptocurrency, and they state that Terra Luna Classic will recover, guess what's going to happen to Terra Luna Classic? It's going to run. There's so much, there's skepticism, there's unknowns that are going to take place, and because of all of these things, this is the reason why Terra Luna Classic is so desirable. And it interests me so much because the sky's the limit. I'm going to be able, I just put out a video not too long ago, I'm going to make money from Terra Luna Classic. And we're not talking about from the videos that I'm making, because I can show you some of the revenue. Some of the videos, I'll get like 10,000 views and I'll get $5. It's not really a revenue generating topic at the moment. But it is something that still has a boatload of popularity. So I'm going to be able to make money from this short term, long term, and the unknowns don't really provide a cap on what that can be. That's why I'm so excited about it. People don't understand. This is going to surprise you, your best friend, a person that doesn't know anything about crypto, people that know everything about crypto. It's going to surprise everyone in the industry. That's what I believe. And again, I've said this whenever I'm talking about my truth. It's my truth and what I feel. You can say however you want to say or do whatever you want to do, move the way you want to move. It's never going to change my thought process or my investment style. Terra Luna Classic will be worth more than you think, will surprise everybody in the crypto market, and most likely will be worth billions of dollars just looking at a market cap perspective. Not even factoring in the burns to increase the price rather than just understanding that market cap. So, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. I want to know what you guys think in the comment section below. That always stirs up some conversation. And check out my link for BTCC and for Fortis X if you guys can. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.